My name is Jorma Julin. I'm Director General for Development Policy in the Ministry for Foreign Affairs in Finland. This conference is very important for us, and because Finland has a long-standing commitment to sexual and reproductive health and rights, both at policy level and in operational work. We fully support improvement of access of the poorest women and girls to family planning services, information, and modern contraceptives. In addition, we continue working towards the full realization of sexual and reproductive rights of all women, men, boys, and girls. At present, Finland already promotes sexual and reproductive health and rights through multi- and bilateral support by funding international non-governmental organizations and domestic non-governmental organizations. But we also support that very much through policy dialogue at different international levels. Today, or already in 2010, our overall contribution funding to population and reproductive health programs was over 50 million euros. It has increased since that, and we are particularly giving core support to the big international organizations, UN organizations like UNFPA, UNAIDS, and WHO and Global Fund. But in addition to that, we are also funding INGOs, and particularly I would like to mention one of them, which is also one of the speakers at this event, International Planned Parenthood Federation, whose support is increasing from us. I would like to say that why do we feel that this topic is so important? It is that it has a huge instrumental value for in our fight against poverty reduction, and particularly for the health of women and girls. That can have a huge impact for the economic development in the longer run once we are able to keep women and girls healthy, but particularly also that we are able to abolish, minimize the unintended pregnancies. So every woman should have a right to decide how many children she wishes to have. I think this conference can add a few things which can be very important. The international community has already done quite a lot to tackle this challenge, family planning and sexual and reproductive health, but we haven't been we haven't been enough sufficiently successful. This conference could add to the overall impact, and by particularly introducing innovative approaches, smart solutions, also by pointing out that we need differentiated approaches. One size doesn't fit for all developing countries, but particularly we need coordination and cooperation by all different players, and we need more players. We need also new donors. I particularly expect that the emerging nations will come along. Thank you.